to be having a look at a different kind of challenge. The challenge we're going to be looking at is using something called a turtle, which is the drawing side of Python. So what I've done is I have opened up an untitled page, and we're going to save this. We're going to save it as Turtle1. So File, Save As. I, of course, am going to find my area. You must find your own area as well. And we're going to call this Turtle1. Whoops, Turtle. Turtle1. Okay, you'll see it says Turtle1 at the top. Now, what we're going to do is I am going to ask you to put in some code for me. It's very important with Python that you have a look at the capital letters, any punctuation that's used as in commas, full stops, etc. You need to make sure that everything is exactly the same or it won't work. So let me paste in the code that I'm asking you to do. And what you'll see is it starts off with from turtle import, turtle screen. You can see we've got something called camel case. Camel case is where the first letter of each word starts with a capital letter. All right, that is so that we don't have to have any unnecessary spaces in our script, in our text. Okay, so we've got turtle screen, capital T, capital S, raw turtle, capital R, capital T, and then TK at the end. When it comes to the canvas root, what we're doing here is we are setting the width and we are setting the height of our stage. We can make these bigger if we want to, but for now let's just stick to 500. And also what we're doing is we're setting the color, the background color. So BG means background. Background color, I've set it to orange. If you wish, you can change the color of this to whatever you like. Type in the word and it will set the color to whatever you've asked it to do. Right, we are defining the turtle. So the P and the T define the variables, the turtle variables. All right, over here where it says insert turtle moves here is where we're going to put our instructions for the program. Okay, so make sure that you actually copy this exactly as you see it here. Go back, double check, make sure you've got the full stops, the capital letters, and all of the punctuation and brackets or parentheses in the right place. Do that now, and the next step we will do is to actually start creating a drawing on our stage.